Hello, this is Yogeshkumar. I welcome you all to my lecture on Microsoft Certified uh, Technology Specialist, in which we are going to learn about Vista installation. First, boot from CD, in which select long keyboard section and then insert product key. For upgradation, like from old operating system of XP to Vista, custom for dual, and second for fresh installation. Create new 20 GB partition, that is 20,000 MB partition. Select that partition and format that partition. Now setup will copies from CD to newly created partition. Administrator and guest are built in. I will give you more information later. Thanking you.